Hello guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to delete Telegram account permanently. But before that, make sure that you're connected to the internet. And once connected, just simply tap the Telegram application. And once open, just tap these three horizontal lines here located at the upper left corner. And from these choices or options here, just tap these settings and just scroll down, then go to help option, then choose the Telegram frequently asked questions or FAQ. Next is scroll down again until you see the your account option. And then in your account option, just choose the delete your Telegram account. Then tap this and you will see here if you would like to delete your account, then you can do this on the deactivation page. Just tap that blue link for the deactivation page and you will be directed to the deactivation page of the Telegram. Okay, here you will enter the phone or your phone number that was logged into your Telegram account. Just tap or type here the number 63992658453. Okay, then tap next. Then just wait for the confirmation code that will be sent to us by the Telegram. As you can see, there is an notification here of the message for the Telegram confirmation code. Okay, just copy this login code or confirmation code. Copy and let's go back to that deactivation page of the Telegram and paste here the confirmation code and tap sign in. And here there is a text field if you want to put a reason why you are leaving the Telegram application or your Telegram account. Then after that, you may now delete your account by tapping this delete my account. Then if you are sure you want to delete your account, then tap this red button, yes, delete my account. Okay, that's it guys on how to delete your account permanently. Okay, thank you for watching and keep following for more video tips. Thank you guys.